Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device does not respond. I mean, it works totally not normal. So basically it does not respond to your touches, it freezes, you cannot do anything. Then you can try to force restart it. And in order to do that, we have to press the power button, which is right here on the right side, and we have to press it until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo, etc. So let's try to do it. Let me press this button and wait. As you can see here, we've got at the top the option restart, but we cannot, let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because our device does not work. And as you can see, the device blacked out. I felt the vibration. I can release the button. Right now we can see the developer's logo, which simply means that your device will be automatically restarted in a second. I mean, like in a minute, etc. Which simply means that we just successfully soft reset it, and hopefully after that it will work normally. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to soft reset or force restart your CAT S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.